How to log in Disney credit card account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to show you on how to log into your Disney credit card account. So keep watching the video until the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. So in order to begin, open up a web browser and in the web address bar at the top, type in www.chase.com/personal/creditcards/Disney and hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you to the official website and click on the sign in button in the upper right hand corner to access the login area. Click on it. As soon as you get into the login page, look at the area of username and type in the correct form of your username followed by your password below. If you want your system to remember your username, click on the Remember Me box over here. And if you'd like to use a token, you can also check on this box over here and enter your token in this designated area. However, if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave this box unchecked of Remember Me. And in the case if you can't remember your username or your password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link and follow the instructions to retrieve your username or reset your password. Finally, after entering the correct form of your information, click on the Sign In button highlighted in blue color and you will be logged into your Disney credit card account. So this was all about how to log into your Disney credit card account. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.